It's a race car. Yeah. Where's the cow, James? Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Do you see the cow? Where's the cow, buddy? Let mommy see. Is that the cow? Yeah, you got it. Oh, sorry. Where's the pig? Where's the pig? Good job. Thank you. Where's the sheep? James, where's the sheep? Honey, where's the sheep? Good job. How about the horse? Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Yeah. Good job. Oop, thank you. Now, where's the chicken? That's the duck. Where's the chicken? James, where's the chicken? You don't want to do it anymore. Okay, where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Where are you going?